Hi, 你好. Welcome to Qimei Mandarin. Some of my students ask me, when they're writing a pinyin, they are not very sure where they should put the tongues on. For example, like this one, 床. Should they put the tongue on wu or on the a? Or how about this one, 好? Should they put the tongues on a? Or should they put the tongues on wo? So if you have taken my online classes, you will know these 6 letters are the first and also very important 6 final letters. So let me tell you the rules where you should put the tongues on the pinyin. When you see a pinyin, when you're writing a pinyin, if you see a, then a is always the first choice. If you don't see a, if you see wo, and wo will be your second choice. If you don't see 2 of those, and if you say and then will be the 3rd choice, and fourth choice, and then 5th choice and last choice, and so you just choose the location for the tones according to this order. So let's look at the example. This one, 床. What's the meaning of 床? So 床 means bed, where it's the bed you sleep on. Okay, so here you put where you should put the tone sound then. According to our rules, so a is always the first choice, so you put the a on the top. Put the tones on the a, okay? 床. How about this one? 好, 好. 好, 你好. 好 means good. 好. So according to the rule, you should choose which letter? Yeah, the first choice. 好. You should put the tones on here. And but there is an exception I have to talk about is if you say e and u, if these 2 together, or u first and e behind, if you see those, and where you should put a tone sound. So this is an exception. So when you see these 2 example, you always choose the second letter. The second letter put the tone sound. For example, so e and u, so you always choose the second one, so you put the tones on this one. 9. So 9 means number 9, right? Number 9, 9. This one, 无一, so you choose, for example, like 会. So you choose the second letter, put the tones on the second letter, okay, on the last letter. So 会. Anybody know what this means? 会 means it means be able to do something, okay? So let's see more examples. How about this one? 谢谢的谢. So which one you should put the tone sound? According to the rule, so right, is the 3rd choice. So you should choose instead of e, right? So you put the tones on the top, right? And we have some more examples like this one. So 家 home, 家. So which one is the first choice? Right? So is the first choice. You put the tones on the a. So those are the rules for where you should put the tones on the pinyin. Hope you have learned something from me today. If you are still struggling to understand the 4 tones, please check out my video where I easily explain the 4 tones. Thank you. Hope you have learned something from me. If you are interested to learn more Chinese with me, please email me at qimeimandarin@gmail.com. Or you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, which are all on the name Qimei Mandarin. 再见, see you next Tuesday.